Let's count down the top 5 most powerful fighter jets in the world. Number 5, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Fast, agile with advanced weapons. Top speed, 2,120 kilometers per hour. Number 4, Dassault Rafale. Versatile, agile, excelling in combat. Top speed, 1,913 kilometers per hour. Number 3, Chengdu J-20. Stealthy, long range with advanced targeting. Top speed, 2,100 kilometers per hour. Number 2, Su-57 Felon. 5th Gen Stealth Super Cruise Multi-Role. Top speed, 2,600 kilometers per hour. Number 1, F-22 Raptor. Top stealth, speed and air dominance. Top speed, 2,414 kilometers per hour. These are the top 5 most powerful fighter jets. Which one's your favorite? Subscribe for more awesome content.